You can get the macOS Tahoe and iOS 26 developer betas for free right now. Keep watching to find out how. Of course, you'll need to have a compatible device. Firstly, if you ever registered as an Apple developer, you'll automatically be eligible, even if you don't have a currently active developer program membership. Just go to Settings, General and Software Update on your Mac, click the little I symbol beside Beta Updates, and choose the macOS Tahoe 26 Developer Beta option. Similarly, on iOS devices, you can go into the Beta Updates menu on the Software Update page, where you can select the iOS 26 Developer Beta. For the rest of you, you'll want to go to developer.apple.com, want to go up to the top bar and click Account, and then sign in with your Apple account. Once you're signed in, you should be prompted to sign an agreement. If you're not, just go up to the top bar again and click Account, and it should show you the agreement. Simply read this and agree to it, and you can now leave the browser without paying anything, and restart all your devices. Upon restarting, you should be able to follow the steps outlined at the beginning to enable the beta updates through Software Update. But do keep in mind that it may take some time for changes on Apple's servers to propagate to your devices, so if it doesn't work right away, try waiting a little while. Finally, should you do this? If you absolutely depend on your Mac or your iPhone for work or study, do not do this. At least wait for the public beta to come out in July. The developer betas have numerous known issues and, by Apple's own standards, are not ready for use in a production environment. Now, while I can't speak for iOS 26, I will say that macOS Tahoe has been quite stable for me on my M1 Pro MacBook Pro. There have been a couple of bugs and visual glitches, but I've only seen one app outright crash once. As always, your experience might be different. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you leave a comment and give it a like. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.